Welcome to dptutorials. In today's video, we will be covering a practical and time-saving feature in Excel, automatically generating serial numbers based on data entered in your spreadsheet. In this example, leave this first column empty for the automatic serial numbers to appear. Create the next column for the data that you want to assign serial numbers to. First, let's use the row function to generate serial numbers, and then we will see how we can automate. Select the first cell in the serial number column where you want the serial numbers to start. Enter the formula equals to row, open the parenthesis, close the parenthesis. This will give the row number, minus row, open the parenthesis and select the cell B4 and lock the references, close the parenthesis and press enter. You got 1 as a result, right? And drag this formula till bottom to fill down. This is one of the best ways to generate serial numbers. The benefit of using this is even if you delete any row, it will still work, and if you insert a new row, it will auto adjust. And now let us see how to automatically generate serial numbers. Like in this adjacent table, when I enter data in cell G5, I want the serial number to be automatically generated in cell F5. Enter formula in F5 as equals to, repeat the same formula, row, open the parenthesis, close the parenthesis, minus row, open the parenthesis, give the reference as F4 and lock the references, close the parenthesis and press enter. Drag this till bottom to apply the same formula. Now you're seeing the same numbers like in the previous example. And now I will add the if condition to the formula by going to cell F5 and equals to if, open the parenthesis, G5 equals to blank. If it is true, I will give the condition as blanks in the inverted quotes, comma, I will leave the same function like this and close the parenthesis at the end. And press enter and apply the same formula to all the cells in this column. Now enter some names in the next column. And you will observe that the serial numbers are automatically generated. By using the row function in Excel, you will easily generate automatic serial numbers based on data entered in your spreadsheet. This simple yet powerful technique eliminates the need for manual entry and ensures accuracy and consistency in your data management tasks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.